Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. I am here with the important question answer you asked. I welcome you on Let's Learn question and answer. So our main question for today is Sunchem, a manufacturer of printing inks, has 5 manufacturing plants worldwide. Their locations and capacities are shown in table 5-6 along with the cost of producing 1 ton of ink at each facility. The production costs are in the local currency of the country where the plant is located. The major markets for the links are North America, Europe, Japan, South Africa, America, and the rest of Asia. Demand at each market is shown in table 5-6. Transportation costs from each plant to each market in US dollars are shown in table 5-6. Management must come up with a production plan for the next year. Correct answer is to determine the most cost-effective production plan for Sunchem, management should consider production cost at each plant, demand in major markets, and transportation costs. By analyzing these factors, they can optimize production allocation to maximize profit. This may involve producing in high-cost locations with high demand if transportation costs are low, or in low-cost locations with low demand if transportation costs are high. Additionally, considering currency exchange rates and market fluctuations is crucial for decision making. A comprehensive evaluation of all these factors will enable Sunchem to develop an efficient production plan for the upcoming year. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Learn Question and Answer so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.